clouds are full of childlike wonder. The chaos, the crowds, a city that never slumbers. Just a regular girl from a regular town. I told myself that I'd never come down. Eyes open wide, finally start to see colors of fall reflected by big yellow taxis in the silvery moon. Kaleidoscope lights, even the streets look happy. So why do I always feel blue? My hands are full of answered questions. I know they're true, but I'm still struggling with them. All those little white lies I tell myself, trying to keep up with everybody else. Through weary eyes, so hard to see. Colors of spring grow through the cracks in the concrete, where the sunlight cuts through kaleidoscope dreams. The skyline is whispering good morning. So why do I always feel blue? Discover every shade of colors of me, glowing in wide open spaces, to paint something new. Kaleidoscope piece up to me to illustrate it. I'll find my